Applying for a mortgage doesn't have to be stressful, if you know what to expect, that is. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the application process and the documents that you're going to need. Firstly, to apply, you're going to have to complete a mortgage application. This can be done with your loan officer over the phone, in person, or even online, as most banks, most lenders have online applications to make the process as easy and smooth for you as possible. After that, you're going to provide documents like pay stubs and tax returns. Your lender is going to review everything, including your credit score, and figure out what works best for you. Want to avoid any potential delays? Well, as we referenced in a previous section, you want to make no major changes to your financial situation. This means don't make any major purchases, don't change jobs, don't take on new debt like a new car payment or furniture on layaway before your loan is approved. One thing to note is your credit score plays a huge role in your mortgage approval and interest rate. In the next section, I'm going to show you how to improve it and what lenders and banks are really looking for.